In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to YouTube directly from Google Drive using a simple and efficient method. If you want to save time or avoid downloading large files to your computer, this workflow makes the entire process smoother and more organized. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that stores your video file. Once you're inside your drive, look toward the top right corner and click the settings icon. Represented by a small gear, when the menu opens, select the settings option. Inside the settings panel, navigate to the section labeled Manage Apps on the left side. This area lets you connect additional tools to your Google Drive. Click Manage Apps, then look for the option that says Connect More Apps. Select it and a search bar will appear. Type Video Uploader into the search field. You should now see an app called Video Uploader for Dropbox Drive appear in the results. Go ahead and select it. Then click Install. Follow any prompts that appear, including authorization requests and confirmation steps. Once the installation is complete, you'll be asked to choose the Google account you want to connect. Select your account and press Continue to move forward. Next, click Select All when asked about permissions. This ensures the app can access the necessary files in your drive. Continue through the prompts until everything is fully set up. With the configuration completed, return to your main Google Drive window. Now, click the grid icon in the top right corner. Scroll through the available apps until you find Video Uploader for Dropbox Drive. Select it again to launch the Uploader tool. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to log in and authorize access. Choose Google Drive and approve the permissions so the uploader can read your files. Once you're inside the uploader interface, you'll see an option to select your video. Click the Google Drive button and browse through your folders until you locate the file you want to upload. Highlight your chosen video, then press Select to confirm. You're now ready for the final step. Simply click Upload to YouTube. The app will handle the full transfer process automatically, moving your video from Google Drive to your YouTube account without requiring any downloads or re-uploads on your computer. This method is especially helpful when working with large files or limited local storage. I hope this guide helps simplify your workflow and makes managing your YouTube uploads even easier. If you enjoyed this tutorial, consider subscribing for more helpful tech guides, and thanks for watching.